Hey there, it's Kev. Today we are embarking on a journey that will truly transform your small business. That's developing a website. Now, we're not just breaking things down into smaller steps. We are turning this into an entire journey, one that is both as exciting as it is informative. You ready? Let's go. First up, why does your business need a website? Well, there's usually your answer and my answer. Your answer is you want to sell something, you're looking to inform people about your services, you're looking to let people book your services, etc. My answer is that your website is your online storefront, but it's not just your online storefront. It's the stage where your business performs, and you want that performance to get a standing ovation every single time. Step one in this journey is planning. This is where you lay your foundation, but this isn't just any foundation. This is a foundation to your online empire. So you need to do a few things for this. You need to define the purpose of your website. What do you want it to do? What do you want it to achieve? Identify your target audience. Who are your customers? Plan the content for the website. What information will you provide? Think of this like starting a house. You wouldn't build a house without a blueprint, right? Next is choosing a domain name. This is your website's address on the internet, but this isn't just any address. This is your business's home in the digital world. Here are some tips when choosing a domain name. Keep it short and simple. Our website is unityweb.co. If our website was Unity Web Design and Development and Photography and Videography.co, come on, let's be real. Avoid numbers and hyphens. No one wants to type in unity-web.co or unity-web1997.co. Make sure it's easy to spell and pronounce. The last thing you need is your website sounding like a competitor or being misspelled for a competitor and you're just sending your traffic away for free. Your domain name is a key part in your online identity. Once you have a domain name, you'll need a web hosting service. This is where your website will live on the internet, but it's not just a place to live. This is the engine that keeps your website running smoothly. All right, your first tip in choosing a web hosting service, and remember, all of these are my own opinion. None of this is defamation. Please don't sue me. Stay away from EIG, Endurance International Group. Companies like Bluehost and HostGator are cheap. They're not that great. Go somewhere else. Stay away from GoDaddy. Go somewhere else. Some of the hosts I do recommend are Cloudways, SiteGround, Flywheel, and WP Engine. I've used SiteGround before. We're using Cloudways now. I cannot recommend Cloudways enough. The other three are really great too, but if you want some more information on those, I will have some links in the description where you can get some affiliate links. My kids gotta eat, but you'll save a couple bucks, I'll make a couple bucks. You do have my word that I would never recommend any product or service to you that I wouldn't personally use myself. Now comes the fun part. Designing and building your website. This is where you get to be really creative and show us what your business is all about. It's important that it's not just creative, but effective. This is where we're creating your digital masterpiece. Here are some tips to get you going. You can choose a website builder to do it yourself like Wix or Squarespace. You can get into WordPress on your own. There's plenty of free themes and plugins for that. Or you can hire a professional. Or you can let your 12-year-old little brother do it and see how they do. Next, you're gonna wanna select a design or a template that best suits your business's needs. Are you going for luxury or fun? Are you going for more immersive? What are you thinking? Of course, you have to gather all your content, which no one ever likes to do. But this includes logos, any about us, and copywriting, stuff like that, videos, pictures, you name it. And lastly, customize everything in the design to best match your business. This website is a direct reflection of your business, so you need to make sure it looks professional and it conveys the message and feeling you want it to. Once you're happy with it, it's time to launch. But before you launch your website, you'll want to test it. Make sure everything's in working order as it should be and looking good on all devices. But just like everything else so far, it is so much more than just a launch. It is the grand opening of your online presence. So make sure your website is ready to impress. So there you have it, folks. That is the absolute basics of developing a website for your small business. But remember, and say it with me, it's not just about the basics. It's about creating an online presence that truly reflects your business and provides value to your customers. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Now, we want to hear directly from you in the comments. What's your goal? What's your plan for building your business's website? Are you going to hire a professional, or are you going to try to do it yourself? Or are you gonna let that 12-year-old little brother do it for you? Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the YouTuber things that everyone asks you to do. Or don't, it's your life, I don't care. But we've got exciting things planned and many more adventures to go on in order to help your business grow online. So until next time, keep thriving.